1993 Lincoln Town car with a V8. Coming down to the instructions, giving you a instruction readout. 93 Lincoln Town V8 OBD2 code jump wire readout with a key on, engine running, with a key off, engine off. With a key on, engine off. Start with a key on, engine off. Turn key off only to accessory. Number 2, count number of flashes. Number 3, write them on a paper. Number 4, translate on Google. Key on, engine running. Turn on vehicle. 4 flashes. It'll flash 4 times. That means it's a V8. It'll flash 3 times. That means it's a V6. Either one. Number 3, count flash after steering the wheel to your left and to the right, and push brake pedal and overdrive on shifter off and on. And I'll give you a demonstration of that. This is the way the OBD2 connector should be connected to read out codes. This is an OBD plug, and this is a ground, I believe. So anyways, you jump them from there to there. Okay, just in case you can't see it right. Anyways, you go out to the car, and we're going to do the key on, engine off. And this is the way you do the key on, engine off. Key on, engine off. It's not on. See the check engine light? It's not coming on yet. I'm going to turn off this key. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's code 33, meaning so there ain't nothing with it, or there is a problem with the EGR. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that'll be the end of that, because there's only a code 33 in there. Okay? And this is the way you would do key on, engine off. Meaning so the ignition needs to be an accessory. All the lights on. Make sure your AC is off. Okay? Same thing goes with the other one. I'm going to cycle the key back. And then I'm going to turn on the car. Notice that the AC is off. Okay? And look at the car, what it's going to do. It's going to accelerate. So the RPMs came up to 2,500 RPMs right now. And it's staying up accelerated. Notice there is no check engine light on. But when I first started the car, 4 times the check engine light flashed around here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's telling you this is a V8. You can ignore that. So right now the car is accelerated up to 2,500 RPMs. When the acceleration comes down, then you can push the brake as many times as you want to and steer it. There it is. I'm going to push the brake as many times as I can. Look at the brake pedal back there. And turn the wheel left and right. And then the light will flash. You see the light, check engine light flashed. Then I got to do the overdrive. If I don't do the overdrive, it'll give you a 632 and a 532 code. And that is the code that is given me. It's telling me that their switch was not overdrive, and that the brake pedal wasn't switched or turned. Look at the codes. So we're going to repeat this again one more time. Key on, engine running. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. That's the airbag light on. 1, 2, 3, 4 flashes, meaning it's also V8. Accelerating of the engine is 2,500 RPMs by itself. It's doing that. Notice again that the AC is off. As soon as this RPM start coming down, I'm going to do the test where I got to push the brake pedal, turn the steering wheel, and push the on and off overdrive button right here. Push the brake pedal, steer the wheel left to right. Okay, I'm not steering it yet. And then push the overdrive. There it is. I'm steering it. And then I'm pushing the overdrive off and I'm turning it off. Off and on. 1, 2, 3. It's giving me that 33 code again. 1, 2, 3. And it'll repeat it 2 times. So that's code 33. And that's all there is. I'm thinking code 33 is nothing. So let's do it one more time. Car's nice and low and idle. It's going to accelerate. 1, 2, 3, 4 flashes, means it's a V8. RPMs are 2,500 right now, or at least right around there. When the RPMs start coming down, I'm going to start pushing the brake pedal and turning the steering wheel, and then pushing this overdrive button on and off. And I got to quickly do that within 3 to 4 seconds because it only gives me that amount of time to do it. Okay, and I can do it right now too while the car is accelerating. So let's try that. And it should give me the same codes. See how the overdrive turns on? And then it will give you the check engine light telling you it's ready. But don't flash as quickly. And it gives you the codes. 1, 2, 3. That's 3, number 3. 1, 2, 3, meaning code 33. And that's it. If there's nothing else, it won't flash anymore. For example, if you have a number 5, it'll quickly flash 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That quick. So you got to be quick to see that the 5 flashes. Sometimes you confuse yourself and you think it's 6 flashes, or sometimes you confuse yourself and you think it's 7 when it's 6. So make sure you count them pretty good. You can repeat the key on, key off, key on, engine running as many times as you want to as soon as you cycle the key to off. Example: key to off, turn the car on, and the test will start all over, and you just have to repeat it yourself again. It'll give you the codes that are in there. 2, 3, 4 means the V8. Now I don't have to wait till the idle comes down. I can do it now. Steer the wheel left and right. Overdrive off. Overdrive on. And I just wait until the idle comes down and count the flashes. Since I already pushed the overdrive off and on, the steering wheel left to right, and the brake pedal off and on, it should only give me code 33 because that's the only code that I've been getting. Say I don't push the brake. Look at the brake, look at the light, it's gonna flash, telling me it's ready. Some people say that when that flashlight, the light flashes, you gotta accelerate the gas pedal. It makes no difference. 3 times flashing. 1, 2, 3. So there ain't no codes but 33. and it won't do anything else. It'll just stay there blanking with nothing showing on it because there is no other codes to show. Okay, like I said, some other videos say you have to push the gas pedal, but not on the 93, maybe on a 91 or a 92. Okay, good luck.